Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable parallel downloading in Firefox on Windows 11 or 10 to improve the download speed. For this, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC. Then in the address bar, type about colon config and then press enter on the keyboard. Then click on this one button, accept the risk and continue. And in the search box, all you need to copy and paste this one network.http.max-persistent-connections-per server. You can copy this one line from this one video description. After copy and paste this one, it will open a new flag. Click on this one pencil icon, that is edit, and by default this one connection is set to 6. You can set up to 20. Just delete this one 6 value and enter here value 20 and click on this one save button and close the Firefox and reopen the Firefox. Now whenever you will download any file from the internet, Firefox will create up to 20 connections for that file. That means it will improve the download speed on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.